Hello guys, welcome back to another informative video on business topics. In the previous video, we discussed what is NFTs. In today's video, we will explain to you how to make money from NFTs. So let's start. If you're wondering how to make money with NFTs, it's vital to understand the approaches that produce the greatest chance of profitability. Here are the best methods to make money on NFT. Let's start with invest in promising new NFTs early. Investing in promising new collections early before they skyrocket in value. Many of the best NFTs to buy were initially minted at a low price, with their value increasing exponentially in the weeks and months after launch. Let's move on. Second best method, NFT HODL. One of the best strategies to make money with NFTs is to invest and HODL. The term HODL stands for Hold On for Dear Life and was popularized during the GameStop short squeeze of 2021. Since then, the term describes an investment strategy where you simply do not sell, regardless of what happens. Those investors who chose to HODL will have reaped the rewards when prices skyrocketed in the coming year. Now jump on the third best method, flipping NFTs. Flipping refers to the process of buying low and selling high, thereby producing a positive return. If you wish to take this approach, you'll need to ensure that your strategy stands out from the crowd. So go ahead and do it. When it comes to how you earn money from NFTs, it's only limited by your imagination. Hope this video helps you understand NFTs. Don't forget to like and subscribe.